From the White House, a special edition of Prime Time.
ABC recently devoted an hour of prime time to a special forum on healthcare reform.
The president calls for sweeping reforms.
The goal of these reforms, we're told, expanding coverage and reducing costs. But did ABC keep the best tool off the table? A single-payer system, similar to Canada and European countries, is supported by many doctors, healthcare workers, and the public, precisely because it would expand coverage to the uninsured while lowering costs. But no single-payer advocate has appeared on ABC this year.
Questions for the president. Prescription for America.
The event at the White House, which will feature questions from an audience selected by ABC.
It's going to be a room full of widely diverse ideas in which people who actually experience the reality of frontline health care are going to get a chance to pose their challenging questions to the president. And these people in this room are going to be able to ask questions from every single vantage point.
Now, from the White House, Charles Gibson and Diane Sawyer.
Diane is here with the head of a major insurance company.
If I could, I'm going to bring in Ron Williams from Aetna, CEO of Aetna.
And a well-managed company.
I estimate the head of the Loon Group, I believe, is here. Mr. Shields, let me get you a microphone. Can we get him a microphone, please? Thank you.
Well, we looked at several different options.
In light of this proposed health care reform and national health care system, I have many concerns. One of them is the big brother fear. How far is government going to go in reference to my personal life and health care treatments?
I am concerned that of the government taking over health care, and Social Security isn't doing real well. At least that's what we're being told.
One of the ABC hosts of the forum suggested that government health insurance was an unpopular idea. Actually, most Americans want government health insurance, according to recent polls. But it seems the only way for single-payer advocates to get their proposals discussed on TV is by getting kicked out of Senate hearings on health reform. Many politicians and their allies in the health insurance industry don't want to talk about single-payer.
So what do you say to them as they point out that they have significant support, and yet their plan is the one thing that is not on the table at the moment?
Well, just to be honest, it's not on the table.
We want a seat at the table.
We need more police. There's someplace they can watch it on television.
Let's send a message to ABC and the other TV networks. Leading politicians and health insurance companies may not want to talk about single payer, but that's all the more reason journalists should. Go to fair.org and sign our petition to ABC, CBS, and NBC to demand that single payer be included in the debate over America's broken healthcare system.